Alright, welcome back you guys. We're going to do a little tutorial on how to remove the reel handle for a jigging handle. But the only difference I'm going to show you is that this is a 2-speed and this is the longer version of the jigging handle, which I came to find out that you cannot use this handle with this setup, because since it's a 2-speed, the internals are a lot different from what this is made from. So you can see this is a square rectangle handle. When I took this off, the interior for this handle, the stock handle, is actually a hexagon. It's a 6-sided shape to accommodate this button right here. The difference on the stock handle and the jigging handle, they're both LD15 2-speed for the Saltiga. I have this paired up with my Phoenix Titan long fall. So this is the heavy action, 35 to 90 pound leader. You can use about 1 pound, that's 480 grams right there. 1 pound lure weight you can use with this rod. And it's a very strong, sturdy rod. It's one of my favorite rods. But we're going to show you how to take this handle off, and all you need is a fly head and a number 12 ratchet. Alright, let's get this show on the road. I'm gonna show you how to take it apart. Alright guys, so we're gonna start off with the handle. I'm gonna show you how to take off the handle. Fairly easy. And with the 12 ratchet, you can see you want to use the open end. Let's see, nice chromy. Alright, we're gonna go right here, and remember this is the jigging handle. We're gonna swap it out with just the knob, and this is a 15. Let's see the length of it right there. And get to it real quick. 85 to 95 dual length, probably be in centimeters or inches. So we're gonna grab the ratchet right here, and we're gonna hang on to this with this, and we're just gonna crank it lefty loosey, righty tighty. See that? So I'm gonna go this direction, and that's all you have to do. We're gonna unscrew this guy right here. This is gonna come out, and look at that. See that? Turn the light on. There you go. You can see a lot better now. It's just an open end with the male and female. They just hook together. If you look at the torque specs on this guy, probably about 6 Newton meters of torque. And then this part right here, you can see we're gonna take that guy out. Mind you not, there are 2 bearings sitting in here. So I'm gonna take this guy out. Alright. Let me use this. This little forehead. Let's see the size of this. Yep, a little small. That's what I love about these Milwaukee tools. Everything is accommodated for right there in your hands. Right. You can also spin it on your palm. So we're going to remove this guy. The screw's not too long, but it's quite long actually. Take this out by your fingers. I have this on my table, if you guys can see this. So you can see the screw. That is the first bearing with some Loctite on there. So we're gonna set this down right here. we're going to pull this out, nice and easy. And then when you look at it, there's another bearing right there. I'm going to slip that guy off with some grease. Put down right there. This is what you got left. It's like a big rivet extension that's threaded. So we'll put this guy to the side, put them to the side, hang on to them. Remember how this was put on: bearing, real seat or handle seat, and then the other side of the bearing. So now we can take this guy out, switch the head. I'm going right here. Use my left hand. So this guy, boom, probably like three newton meters right here. It's probably like 2 pounds of torque. Put that down, hold it right here. Just let it screw. Put that to the side. Now this rear seat, we can do this, another one right inside, right there. It's Phillips. So let me get a longer extension so we can get to this screw. All right, so I got me a bit, just a little bit longer. This is just a regular Phillips, a little more point. What I'm gonna do is just pop this guy out. See, look at that, interchangeable. There you go. Now we can go in right there. Just crank him down. That's about 1.5 pounds torque. Pull him out. Comes out fairly easy. So this is the other side of the real handle, the real seat. All right, let me see if it comes out. No, just a little bit more. Use my fingers. That's what I love about this tools. You can get on Amazon if you want. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm just doing this by personal stuff. All right, we can pull the handle out nice and easy. Look at that. Both still in there. There's nothing else in there. This is the plastic washer that came with this guy. So we'll set him to the side. So now you can see this rear handle on a 15 will fit exactly the other one. So if you look at it, those two right here, the plastic washer is nearly identical to the bearing that it came for the jigging handle. Set him to the side. We'll put this guy on first. Look at that, perfect fit. Set him down. What's next? This guy. So you can see the cutout grooves where the bearing sits inside this seat. And that's how you know you have a perfect fit. There you go, see that? And what's next? Now we're gonna put this guy. Make sure you have him sit inside that seat in there. So what I usually like to do, just like that, use something to poke him in. Seat looks good, looks good. Yep, goes right in. A little bit of pressure. He's in there. Now we're gonna grab this guy. What usually I like to do, I'm gonna set him right here. Rub a little Loctite on this guy, just around the threads. That's it. And now we're gonna put him right in. Here's our handy dandy Milwaukee screw. And now we're gonna put this back on, close this cap, Put them to the side. Like, now we got a snubby. Crank this over. We're gonna torque this down hand tight, right? 1, 2. Yeah, that's good enough. Nothing too crazy, just enough. Nice little torque. And now for the grand finale, look at that. We got the seat on. We're gonna put this on. Let's see which direction this goes. It looks like righty tighty, lefty loosey. I don't know why it's not going in. There you go. I'm spinning it the wrong direction. So right now I am turning it this way to lock it. There you go. Now we're gonna take our ratchet. I'm just gonna crank him in. 1, 2, 3. And there you have it. Saltiga 15 2-speed with jigging knob. Salt pepper. That little nice salt pepper. You can see it works perfect. I'm about to give this a try October 13th with some lingcod fishing out there on the Farallon Islands over by Emeryville. I'm gonna do a little family private charter, and yeah, stay tuned to the video. We're gonna give this guy a little shout out there and see how he does. And if you're looking to where to buy the handle, it comes in the whole piece. I bought this for about $200. You can get them cheaper, but I also did it on my Saltiga 2-speed 35 and my Saltiga 60 2-speed. All of my reels have the same knob handle. I feel so much better having this guy. And if you don't want to lose this, I would keep it right here. Where's that guy? You could probably put this back on too. Let's try to actually make that. Put him back this way. Get this reel seat back on. Look at that. Now you got 2 reel handles that you can accommodate for. Nice. Yep, lock them in. Boom. Put it all back together, and there you go. You got yourself the handle with this guy on a stock knob with your Saltiga with the upgrade. There's no videos out there showing you how to do this, or some people buy the whole piece and swap it out, because these are the same identical length, same knob as the 55 2-speed will fit on these guys. So if you're looking to buy the upgrade, I just bought the jigging handle. I just needed a nub. So this together, this piece from Japan, ordered from Japan. You can check eBay or the website, or you can call them direct for about $170 to $180. Mine had a little expedite shipping, so it got here pretty quick, so I paid like $190 for this. And yeah, all right guys, well, see you soon. We're gonna take another trip on the 13th of October. Hope you guys tune in soon and see what happens. Gonna give this little monster a little go. All right guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.